All right, this week we're in week 2, so by this point you've already clicked in the week 2 and you're watching the walkthrough. That's the first thing we're doing on Monday. So this week we only have 4 days worth of stuff because Friday was a scheduled no school day. So that means we only got 4 things to do this week. Now, one option for you is Monday. I'd like you to review predicting products. So there's some problems, key, screencast from last week. And if you're like, man, I'd rather just get going on entry 3, that's fine. So you can do Tuesday first. Tuesday, we're just watching a video lecture, filling out some notes. These rules are included in the notes, and I'll talk through that. Watch that video lecture. Okay, there's also some problems that we'll go over as a part of that video as well. Wednesday, we got some problems we're trying, watching a walkthrough. And then Thursday, we're taking a quiz, but trying these extra problems before the quiz. So especially if you're like, yeah, I'm good on predicting products, I'm going to move forward on Monday. That's cool. Wednesday, try these problems. Go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then go from there. Okay, so that's all we're doing this week. Make sure by the end of the day, Thursday, that you take this entry 3 quiz. Let me know if you have any questions. Miss you guys. Have a great day.